6 critical mistakes you must avoid during work from home.
In this COVID-19 pandemic, work from home has become the new norm for the country's IT workforce. Some might find work from home convenient and comfortable, but the responsibility of employees increases as they now have to follow more discipline and learn new work ethic. One silly mistake of yours can leave your organization or at least your team in jeopardy, especially because everyone is working from home and damage control has become tough. Here I'm going to provide you some mistakes that work from home employees must avoid.
First one, using insecure internet connection. Saving official work on personal Google Drive or email. Surfing the internet for personal stuff on the same browser. Keeping personal data on office laptop. Keeping your computer unattended or unlocked. Sharing office laptop with other family members.
The first one, using insecure internet connection. Hackers are now targeting home network and you might have critical information that must not be leaked at any cost. This should be your first priority to work on a secure network. You can arrange a VPN. Maybe that is the best. Otherwise, try to install a firewall to avoid any potential cyber attack while you are working from home. Second one, saving official work on personal Google Drive or email. There is a saying, keep your work away from home. Well, that does not set completely true in the current scenario, but at least do not save your official work on your personal Google Drive or email account. This can accidentally leak the data and lead to dangerous consequences in the future. Third one, surfing the internet for personal stuff on the same browser. It is important that you use another browser or private browsing mode for personal internet surfing. The IT team in most organizations keep tab on the information relieved and received from the official system. This may create embarrassing situations for you. Fourth one, keeping personal data on office laptop. For the same good reason stated above, it is highly advisable that you do not store your personal stuff on a work computer. Additionally, there are chances that you need to submit that laptop to the IT department and get a new one any day you join the office. If at most necessary, then keep your personal data in a separate folder and mark it with personal stuff tag. Fifth one, keeping your computer unattended and unlocked. If you have kids at home, you would not want your kids to send random emails or turning on a video chat or typing garbage in a presentation that you have been working for hours. This could be the biggest mistake of your life, to keep your work computer unattended and unlocked. The last one, sharing office laptop with other family members. Be it your spouse, your sibling, your kid or any other family member, do not share your office laptop with anyone with whatever may be the reason. There are important files and stuff that should be discreet to you. And the traces of the other person's work can get your system compromised. In most cases, you can get even penalized for this when you are back in the office. Thank you.